product is alcohol. So essentially what you have made is beer. It's a very strong beer. It's about 8% alcohol by volume, and it's that beer that you're going to distill in order to make it to whiskey.
Okay.
And I beg your pardon, that's when you get to this part, the still, and you've got a pot, you've got a neck on the pot, you've got the swan neck, and then the long line arm here, and it goes into a condenser, which is what's that bit at the left hand end on the model here is the condenser. And let's get off the main road. Let's get off the main road a little bit. I think we've had enough of this road, just for a little while. We're just about into the Highlands. You can see the Highland boundary fault line straight ahead of us there. Now, the still will always be made of copper.
Yeah.
And the reason for that is that copper, if you look at copper under a microscope, it looks rather like a scouring pad that you would clean your pots and pans with. And when you boil the alcohol, now you're not boiling the water, you're boiling the alcohol from the water inside, and it vaporizes, it becomes a gas, and it travels up through the still. And as it does so, it collides with the copper, and the effect of the copper is to strip away some of the natural oils and fats, the esters that you don't want. It cleanses the alcohol, if you like. It cleans it up and strips away oils and fats. Now, you will never make whiskey by having pure alcohol. You want some of these impurities to stay in the spirit because they give it character.
Yeah.
And you distill your beer once, it goes from about 8% alcohol to about 25% alcohol by volume, and then you distill it a second time and bring it up to about somewhere between 73 and 75% alcohol by volume. But you never want it, in malt whiskey, you never want it to be any higher than that, because by keeping the alcohol below anything other than 72-75%, you're keeping a hold of a lot of the natural oils and fats, and that's what gives it character. And after that second distillation, what comes out is this, and that's what you call new make spirit.
Yeah.
And if you have a sniff at that, you'll get a strong blast of alcohol, of course, but you'll also get character in it. You'll get a suggestion of citrusy fruit.
Yeah, citrusy fruit.